Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Claude AI use cases video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how easily and fast you can create a single page HTML website for any local business using Claude AI. I'm going to show you how you can enter the prompt to create a single page website and how you can download the files and upload to any hosting server. Let me show you an example. Here I have created a single page HTML website using Claude. I have downloaded all the files and I have uploaded all the files on the hosting server, and now this website is running on a temporary URL. So you can download the files from the Claude and you can upload the files on any hosting server, and the website will be live on your own hosting server. So at the top we have the hero section, and here you will see some call to action buttons. If I click on this button, it will go to contact. If I click on this button, it will go to services section. Here you will see logo with some moving animation. At the top we have navigation bar. This is a single page HTML website. If I click on this about button, it will go to the about section on the same page. It will not go to another page. It will go to the section on the same page. If I click on services, it will go to the services. Here you will see that I have added images for all the services, and all these images are also uploaded to my server. So the Claude is going to give you a bundle of index file as well as images folder. So you can upload the images to the Claude and you can ask the Claude to use the uploaded images. It is going to create a zip file that you can download and upload to your hosting server. So you don't need to use any stock images. You can upload your own images. If I click on learn more, it will go to contact page. Then we have why choose us section. Testimonials, you will see testimonials slider here. We have 6 testimonials. If I go to FAQ, you will see FAQ section. If I click on contact, it will go to the contact section. Now on this contact section, in the left hand side, you will see the details of the business, and in the right hand side, you will see a contact form. Now this is not a contact form used by the HTML website. I have added a third-party contact form. When someone fills up this contact form, it is going to send all the data into the CRM, and it is also going to send notification to the admin that someone has filled up the form. And for that, I'm using GoHighLevel contact form. GoHighLevel is CRM and automation system. I have published many videos on GoHighLevel. In the bottom right hand corner, you will see a chat icon. If I click on it, it is going to open 4 different options using which customer will be able to get in touch with the support. So we have chat via SMS and email, chat via live chat, chat with voice, and chat with Facebook. Again, I'm using GoHighLevel AI chat widget. So while creating the HTML website, I asked Claude to use the GoHighLevel contact form and the GoHighLevel chat widget. I added the embed code for the chat widget and the contact form, and I asked Claude to use these codes on the website so that it will be a fully functional HTML website. So on this HTML website, we have the contact form and the chat widget to get in touch with the support. At the bottom, we have the footer section. Now let's go to Claude, and here you will see an option to download all the files that you can upload to any hosting server and make your website live. So I'm going to show you what is the exact prompt that I used to create this single page HTML website, how you can make the changes to the website. If you want, you can also add your own content, and the Claude AI will use the same content on the HTML website. I'll show you how you can add third-party contact form and chat widget on the single page HTML website. I'm publishing many videos on Claude AI real-world use cases, how you can create WordPress and WooCommerce plugins, how you can optimize your website for search engines using Claude AI, how you can write blog posts, how you can run SEO audit of your website. I have already published many videos on Claude AI. If you want to watch those videos, I'll give you the links in the description box. Instead of creating a $5,000 website using Claude that you cannot sell to any business, try creating a simple website that you can sell to any local business. So let's see how does this work.
Subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel for easy tutorials on AI tools, AI agents, WordPress, web design, automation, Elementor, WooCommerce, and more. Press the bell icon and stay updated with every new video.
So here I'm logged into my Claude account and I have already installed the Claude application on my computer. If you do not want to install the application on your computer, you can still run the Claude in any browser. Create a free account on Claude and start creating website using Claude AI. Now let me show you the prompt that I'm going to use to create an HTML website. This is pretty basic and simple prompt. You can easily write prompt like this. Create a single page HTML business website. Then I have the name of the agency, address, phone number and email address. Below that I have explained the colors. Use dark theme, use dark blue, dark green, dark red colors in background. Text color will be white, yellow, neon and glowing. For the font, use a modern font. Below that you will see the services. These are the services that I want to display on the website. Then we have add the following sections. I want these sections on the website. The first section will be hero section. It should be attractive, interactive, call to action, animated hero section. Use attached logo image on hero section with animation. So I'm going to upload logo image and I'm going to ask the Claude to use the logo image in the hero section. After that I want about a section, then services. Here you will see all the services. Then why choose a section, testimonial slider with 6 testimonials, 3 testimonials display view, then FAQ section, and below that I want contact section. Add a section for contact form. I'll add third-party contact form on the website later. Make the contact form column white background. Below that I need the footer section with business details, and the header section will be at the top, which is going to be sticky at the top with business name, navigation menu and call button. I'm going to upload images for the services and other sections. So I want to upload my own images and I want Claude to use those images for the services and other sections on the website. Create images folder and upload the images to images folder. Use these uploaded images on the index.html file. So it is not going to add any third party or the stock images. I should be able to download the index and images folder so that I can upload the ready website on other hosting server. So this is a simple prompt. I'm going to copy this entire prompt. Let's go to Claude and enter the prompt here. Right, let's enter it and it is going to work on it. It may take 5 to 10 minutes to build this one-page website. Alright, so I forgot to upload the images, so I'm going to upload the images. Click on the plus sign, go to add files or photos, and here I have some images. I'm going to select all the images. I have the logo image also. Click on open. Now let's use these images. Let's upload the images. Alright, so the first version of the website is ready. Let me close this sidebar. Let's make it wider. This is how it is going to look. At the top we have an image which is not showing up. Here we must have one image which is also not showing up, but we are going to fix that. So this is the layout of the website. The images are not showing up. So we are going to check why it is not showing up the image. We have the FAQ section. This is the contact form section. And here in this section, you can add any third-party contact form. Let's say I have GoHighLevel account. So I can copy the code for the GoHighLevel contact form and I can put it here. Using the HTML website, you won't be able to create any contact form. For that, you can use third-party services. So this is the contact form and at the bottom we have the footer section. Right now, let's minimize it and I'm going to download the files. Alright, so we have got 2 download options here. Download. You want download and open. This is going to be the zip folder and I'm going to save it. Alright, let's go to downloads. Here you will see the zip folder. I'm going to unzip it. Alright, and inside that you will see the images folder and the index file. Under images folder you will see all these images. Let's open this index file. This is how the website will look. Now you will see all the images are there. At the top left hand corner you will see the logo also. You will see the logo here in the hero section because we mentioned that in the prompt. I want to use the logo in the hero section. You will see it here. Alright, so if I go here you will see animated logo. It is slightly moving and you will see the dark theme is there. If I click on about, it will go to about section. If I click on services, it will go to services section. We have the images for all the services. And if I move the cursor on it, you will see it is zooming out the images. Right now these learn more buttons will not work. It will go to contact like this. Let's go top. Let's go to why us. It will go to why choose us section, and we have one image here. Testimonials. These are the sliding testimonials. Here you will see 3 testimonials on display and total 6 testimonials as we mentioned earlier. And these are frequently asked questions. Now, if you want to change the content, you can also change the content. You can ask the Claude to use the content. You can write down the custom content and you can upload that content in Claude, and Claude is going to use that content in the layout. Here I'm going to keep it as it is. Again, in this section, if you want, you can add a third-party contact form. If you do not want this section, you can ask the Claude to remove this section. Here I'm going to use GoHighLevel contact form. So this is the contact form that I'm going to use. And here I have, let's go to integrate and copy the embed code. Okay, now let's go to Claude and ask the Claude to use this embed code and replace the contact form. All right, so this is the prompt. I want to use the GoHighLevel contact form on the website. Please add the embed code below to display the contact form on the website. And I'm going to paste the code here. And let's say I also want to add the GoHighLevel chat widget on this website. So I'm going to copy the code for the chat widget also. In previous videos, I have shown you how you can add AI chat widget on your website using GoHighLevel. So I have a chat widget here and I'm going to use that one. Let's try this one. Let's go to get code. Let's copy the code. Then let's go back to Claude. Let's add a prompt here. I also want to add. All right, so this is the prompt. I also want to add GoHighLevel chat widget on the website. Below is the code for the chat widget. Add this on the website. Let's enter the prompt. All right, so I think it has added the chat widget and the contact form. It is not displaying it here. All right, let's go back to the downloads folder. I'm going to delete the old files and I'm going to download the new one. So let's delete everything from the downloads. Go to the Claude, download and open the new updated files. Let's go back to downloads. Let's unzip the folder. This is the updated index file. Let's open it. And now you will see the updated website. In the bottom right hand corner, you will see the AI chat widget. If I click on it, it is going to open different options to get in touch with the support. So we have chat via SMS and email, chat via live chat, chat with voice and chat with Facebook. Right, let's close it. And if I scroll down, there should be the GoHighLevel contact form here. All right, so you will see the form is also there. Okay, so if someone fills up the form, it is going to send all the data in GoHighLevel CRM, and it will also send notification to the admin of the website. And now I'm going to upload all these files on one of my hosting servers, and I'm going to make this website live on a temporary URL. So here I have Hostinger account and I have one temporary website here. Let's go to File Manager and we are going to upload these files. This is the default page of the temporary website. Let's go to public_HTML and we are going to upload the files. So you will see an option here, upload. I'm going to select file. First, I'm going to upload the file. Let's go to downloads and upload the index file. Let's go to upload again and I'm going to upload the images folder. All right, so now we have the index file and the images folder. You will see all the images are there. And I'm going to delete this default.php. Let's go to the website, refresh it. And you will see the website is live on the temporary URL. I can connect the domain and it will start working. So here we have the chat. If I click on about, it will go to about us page, services, why us, testimonials, FAQ and contact. In the contact section, we have the GoHighLevel contact form. So it is very easy to create a single page HTML website using Claude AI. You can start with a simple prompt. You just need to enter the details of your business, the colors and services, and it will create a single page HTML website. On the single page HTML website, you can add third-party services like third-party contact form or the third-party chat widget, and it will be a fully functional website for any local business. Here I'm using Claude Pro account. However, this is also possible using the Claude free version. So instead of building fancy websites that you cannot sell to any business, start creating simple websites that you can sell to any local business. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.